Phoebe Sumter has expanded our robotic-assisted surgery capabilities with the latest technology specifically for orthopedic surgeries. Dr. John Fennessy, Dr. Ryan Breland, and their expert teams can now use the Mako 4 SmartRobotics System for total hip and knee replacements. The built-in 3D CT scan allows surgeons to see their patient's specific anatomy to make an even more personalized surgical plan. AccuStop technology creates virtual boundaries based on that plan and, along with the robotic arm, guides surgeons with added precision. That can help reduce post-op pain and contribute to quicker recovery times. We want to provide you the best surgical experience and get you back to the activities you love as soon as possible. Want more information about the Mako surgical system? Call Phoebe Orthopaedics of Americus at 229-931-6830.